What's up, y'all? So I had a guy who owns a cleaning franchise inquire with me about how our lead generation service works for commercial cleaning companies, and also about joining Clean Biz Network and how it can help him and everything that comes with it. So I said, you know what? Let me just share this dialogue that I had with him in case it might answer some questions that you might have, whether you own a cleaning franchise or were thinking about doing a cleaning franchise, or you're just thinking about Clean Biz Network in general and what it comes with. So check out this audio. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll talk to y'all soon.
Hey, what's up, Darius? How you doing today?
Hey, how you doing, AJ?
Pretty good, brother. I apologize for the mix-up on the time there, but I'm glad you were able to get me though.
Yeah, I just left out, but yeah, I can go ahead and talk to you now. I just wanted to ask you about the lead generation thing going on. How does that work?
Yeah, so it's a real simple process. So all you would do is you fill out the application to let us know about your company, just basically what are your service areas, where you provide service, certain niches that you don't want us to call for. And then once you complete that application, it's going to go to my team, and they're just going to start making phone calls for you. And as soon as they start making phone calls, they'll set the appointment for you for however many leads you decided to get. Once they set the appointment, we'll email you the appointment information, who you're meeting with, what time you're supposed to meet them. And then you hear the voice recording as well when you get the appointment sent to you. And then all you got to do is go show up to that meeting, do the walkthrough with the people, and try to close the deal.
Oh, okay, yeah. So I mean, how much you charge per lead?
Yep. So if you're not in Clean Biz Network right now, it's $150 per appointment.
Per appointment? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. Well, actually, I'm already got in with Jan Pro, and the thing is, I'm just gonna do the first one, the contract, and I've been hearing about people, and I've heard you talk about Jan Pro because I know you used to work for 'em.
Right. Yep.
Yeah, I just didn't know a whole lot about how this lead generation work and all that type of stuff, but people actually getting contracts from doing that. So there's just not a lot of talk about that. So I just decided if I can go ahead and get one started now, and then I can just go ahead and get started with that one. But I'm not trying to keep getting contracts from them and then going into trying to keep finance and get in trouble, and then I'm stuck. Then there it go. I lost the business. So
right.
That's why I was calling you, asking you about that, because I was first trying to get my own.
Gotcha. Yep. So that's what we're here for. So you don't have to really, depend on them and only getting their contract. So yeah, you can do it at the same time, even if you're a franchise owner. So it'll definitely be a nice solution for you to get your own contract.
Okay, so doing that, how much it costs to sign up to be with Clean Biz?
Yep. So Clean Biz Network monthly membership is $99 a month. So we do got different plans. So the $99 a month is the basic membership plan. Now, when you become a basic member, if you do want to get leads are cheaper for members. I forget the price it is right now, but it's usually the $25 to $50 cheaper for leads for members. And then if you want to, so that's if you want to buy leads like individually. But if you like, just go ahead and set me up for a monthly recurring leads every single month, then we got additional plans for that as well, where you can do like one lead a month. It'll be $179 a month. If you want 5 leads a month, I think it's like $7.99, and then you got 10 leads a month, and I think that one is like $14.99 a month.
Oh, okay. So I know I see you interviewing a lot of these people. It's just hard to believe a lot of things that's being said on YouTube, and I know too many gurus out here just saying stuff and it ain't real, which I found out myself through real estate. But
there you go.
So I already been there. I lost money. So the thing is, I'm just trying to find out. I know you interview these guys, so they actually getting these contracts like that. But I guess it depends on you and how you talk to the client. So
exactly, because we can't guarantee the contract since we're not the ones talking to them. But it's real deal stuff. And like all of those people you see in those interviews, they literally in Clean Biz Network too. So once you join and you get inside the Facebook group, you'll see a lot of those same faces right in there.
Yeah, I've been watching. One guy. I'm from St. Louis, so the one guy, he's making all that money. I forgot how much it was. You interviewed him. I can't remember his name. I actually talked to him on the phone. I called him.
Okay.
And I think he's got residential going too. That's why he's making much money. He's doing residential and commercial.
Okay.
So, I can't remember his name.
I'm trying to think of his name too now. It's my guy too. Dang, now I'm about to go to my channel and see if I can find it.
So,
I think I did 2 interviews with him too.
Oh, is that right? Yeah, I can't remember his name, but yeah. So the residential side, is that hard to get, or would you say that would be a good deal too, other than commercial?
So most people say the residential is actually easier to get. I was always commercial from day one. I got a couple of residential clients. The first one I got it from my commercial, right? So they see how good we clean the office and asked us to clean their house. And then after that, I'm trying to remember how to get the other one. Referral basically was the other 2. So, I mean, you can. There's 2 benefits to residential is they are more profitable percentage-wise, and then you get paid ASAP. Like in commercial, a lot of times you got net terms and stuff, so you got to wait a month or wait 15 days, et cetera, to get paid. With residential, you get paid basically the same day. So that is the good things about residential. On the back side, though, is like, well, they kind of harder to staff. The checks are smaller, so it's like it's kind of harder to scale a residential. But if you want to mix it in there, you definitely could, though, especially to keep income coming in the middle of the month while you're waiting for your big commercial checks to come through.
Right. Okay. Yeah, I've done apartment building cleaning. I've worked at ABM and doing events. I've done quite a few different things. I worked at ABM about two years.
Okay.
And yeah, so I do have some experience. And yeah, I was just wondering about that. And the other thing is the government contracting.
Yes.
So have you had any government contracts? Any cleaning?
I have people in the group that have done it, and they'll be able to help better with that. Now, I've had people send me their contracts and stuff and help me go over RFP with them. So I've done that before, but I never actually had government contracts myself.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right then. Yeah. You said $99 a month. Oh, yeah. The other thing I want to ask you about the software. What is the software thing? Does it just keep up with schedules, or what's the deal with that?
Yeah, man. So it does so many things. It'll be hard for me to name everything, but I'll start with the basics. So one is a good place to manage all of your leads. So anybody you ever contact in your business, that software is going to be able to track it, because one, it's going to give you a business phone number, right? So you can make phone calls through that number, whether you do it from the desktop or whether you do it from the mobile app that comes with it. There's also, you can make notes about all your contacts. So you know how, for example, if you call your insurance company or something, they'll be able to remember the last time we talked to you, Mr. Simmons, we see that, you came in for this and that, and so we just want to see, is that what you're calling about today? So that gives you the ability to do stuff like that. It also can manage all your social medias for you, manage all your emails. You can create a website, multiple different websites in it. You can create training programs in it. I'm trying to think everything. Calendars, you can manage all of your calendars within there, create forms. I mean, the list goes on and on, man. There's so many things you can do in there that's hard for me. That's why I like to do the video calls, too, when we do this, so that way you can actually see what I'm talking about.
Oh, okay. That sounds good. Yeah. Okay.
That's my guy. You said St. Louis. You talking about Rashad O'Kelly?
Yeah, that's his name. Yeah, Rashad. Yeah. Yeah, seems like a good guy. Yeah, I talked to him. He was telling me about that. But he said he liked the commercial cleaning better than residential.
Yeah, everybody do, man, because it's less difficult. Like the customers don't complain as much in commercial like they do in residential. It ain't as picky. You ain't got to climb all in type of bathtubs and all. Like the cleaning is way more simple. You know what I mean? In comparison to residential, it can get a lot more.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. I did a little hospital work. I've worked in different areas, but I heard the hospital's a little bit more different because they really going to be on you about what you clean. Because I think you got to take a special class to clean like the operating rooms and stuff like that.
Yeah. So they don't require that you take you have any type of certification. But if you can get some type of extra training for medical, it definitely helps, right? Bloodborne pathogen training, the HIPAA,
right.
HIPAA laws and stuff like that. But you don't have to have any type of certification to actually get medical contracts, though.
Oh, is that right?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm trying to get me a decent one so I can, get in the game,
For sure.
But yeah, okay, man. I ain't gonna hold you up too long. Yeah, I will. Yeah, I do the sign up. That's no. I mean, $100 a month. I mean, that's not gonna like it's gonna kill me or anything. But yeah,
Right.
I'm just trying to put all this together and just try to come up a little bit different than just the old-fashioned way of everybody trying to buy contracts from the company, because they're in to make money for them, which I understand
right.
that.
Y'all got the same goal, right? Like you're the customer. You know what I mean? It's like, no,
Exactly.
Yeah. So, but yeah, I got you. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna text you the direct link too, just to make it easier for you, so you can check it. I'll send you the link to join, and then I'll also send you the link to buy leads if you just want to get some one-time leads. But by the way, let me say this too: if you decide to join and get the basic membership, and then you decide to buy leads too, make sure you join first and do it from a computer. And then once you sign in, it's going to be a tab on the left-hand side. Once you sign in, then go down to click. It's going to say buy bid appointments. Then click it do it that way, because when you signed in, the discount for members is already in there.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. That sounds good, man.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to email you, and I'm going to text you the link, and then hopefully we see you inside the group soon.
Okay, man. That sounds like a one, AJ. Okay, man. I'll talk to you later then.
All right, Darius. Talk to you soon.
Okay, man. Take it easy.
All right. You too. Bye.
All right, later.
Are you looking to start your own cleaning company? Or maybe you started your cleaning company, but you just need a support group, some mentorship, some guidance. Hell, a bidding calculator just to help you know if you're pricing the job correctly. Join us at cleanbiznetwork.app. That's www.cleanbiznetwork.app today and get on the right track with your cleaning company. We have everything you could possibly need to get you going in the right direction, and see why we've been the leading cleaning business consulting company for the past 5 years, and why they call me, AJ Simmons, the cleaning business GOAT. So I can help you just like I've helped, and my company has helped thousands of other people start and grow their cleaning companies. Go to the #1 source today, www.cleanbiznetwork.app. Thank you.